boys, the wrestlers, the tumblers, the clowns, the roustabouts that move the show at dawn.
The music, the spotlights, the people, the towns, your baggage with the labels pasted on. The sawdust and the horses and the smell.
The towel you've taken from the last hotel.
There's no business like show business like no business I know.
Everything about it is appealing.
Everything the traffic will allow.
Where could you have that happy feeling
When you are stealing that extra bow. There's no people like show people. They smile when they are low.
Yesterday they told you you would not go far. That night you open and there you are.
Next day on your dressing room they hung a star.
Let's go on with the show. The costumes, the scenery, the makeup, the props, the audience that lifts you when you're down.
The headaches, the heartaches, the backaches, the flops, the sheriff who escorts you out of town.
The opening when your heart beats like a drum.
A closing when the customers won't come. There's no business like show business like no business I know.
You get word before the show has started. And your favorite uncle died at dawn.
Top of that, party, you're broken hearted, but you go on. There's no people like show people, they don't run out of dough. Angels come from everywhere with lots of jack, and when you lose it, there's no attack.
Where could you get money that you don't give back?
Let's go on with the show.
There's no business like show business if you tell me it's so.
Traveling through the country is so thrilling, standing out in front on opening night, smiling as you watch the benches filling, and as you're dealing your very lights. There's no people like show people, they smile when they are low. Even when the turkey that you know will fold, you may be stranded